advice na may bibigay ko sa mga bagong generation ngayon na hanap ng trabaho, be patient. Pagkatapos, okay lang. Basta yung attitude ninyo na kailangan kayo magpasensya sa anumang hirap na pagdadaanan nyo at laging maging totoo sa sarili. Maging mapagmahal sa kapwa, dahil mga Pilipino, ganyan, at laging masaya. Yun talaga ako laging masaya.
My advice to the young generation is, of course, to be punctual in your work, love your work, and improve yourself every step of the way.
To our younger generation, learn from us. Because we are the old experience, wisdom, and everything. You can learn from us. But of course, we are also learning from you.
Marami pong salamat sa National Commission of Senior Citizen. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataong binigay sa akin na ako'y mapasama dito sa Community Tourist Guiding.
Thank you, and CSC. Thank you for this opportunity.
Hello, thank you very much for to DOT and NCSC for this opportunity for the training as a tour guide. Hopefully, we're able to succeed.